kuya, welcome back. Hindi ako makakuha ng piso, ng dalawang tao na lang sana para sa 1 star. Sa'yo kaya ako. Yan. Muni? Andyan kay Muni? Oo na. Meron na. Kanina hindi ka na natulog na lang ako. 2 tao. Oh! Nabalik na sila. Mamaya pag gabi wala kang work, di ba? I love you. Matulog ka na? Sleep well. Karon pa ka miud. I'm going to fold some Sana yung isang wait lang. Boss love. Day 4. Wait lang, sayawan ko kaya lang. Baliktad talaga sa manggi. Ang ganito. Ayan natin yung ganito. Hi, G. Tapos sa isang cellphone, hindi ko na makakita. Alam mo, ito yung dati kong sinusuot. Dati kong sinusuot na nag-ano pa lang ako. Yes, sinusuot. Hi, ID. Ano yung sinusuot? Ito na ako nasip. Hindi na tayo makasayaw, wala na tayong isang cellphone. Like that. Parang ganito. $62. Tapos ito ko nilalagay. Dami naman yung wala, diba? Takin, Chablo. Kasi hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung isang cellphone. Walang music. Parang ganun, like that. Yeah. Wala tayong music. Papa Ken. Hi, it's me, Faith. ganito. Para kasi tayong baliw na sumayo na walang sound. Hello, amigo. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Di parang tanga. Yes? Thank you, Steve. I don't have any music, so it look like so awkward dancing without music. Hi, Clive. Wait, ano pang... Here you go. Hala, what's that? Kid! My like 60. I'm not that lucky. Only 60. Thank you, Kiyo. Thank you so much. Super. Wait, I will put some music. Thank you, thank you. Hi, Gordito. Ano? Ano naman? Project. Wait. Sexy. Tofu! Ano? Thank you. Tanggol. Thank you to Tofu. I thought you're going to sleep na. Here.
Pinakakurang data sa Shopee. Enjoy 1 peso data deals plus 10% off for all users. Mag-load na.
Wait. Tanggol.
At Food Panda, we're on a mission to make life delicious.
Thank you. Ay, kala ko Chinese ka, ba't ganyan pangalan?
Upside down.
Here. Okay. Nahihiya ako. Wait lang. Dito na lang. Thank you. Thank you, Tofu.
Sex on the beat.
Thank you, amigo. Ay na ba yan? Okay na ako. Naka 3 star. No, thank you. Do I need to dance? Yo. Topa, thank you so much. I'm not comfortable with it because it's look like you know. No, thank you, Tofu. Thank you, wait lang. Thank you, you. Wait, my phone are lag. Thank you, Steve. Hi, new. Don't be explode. You're going to die. Wait. Thank you. Tofu, thank you. 6-0 dito. Master, wait lang.
since you left this bed. I've been losing sleep, thinking about your hands instead. Now you're standing in my doorway, looking at me like that. I already know where this night is headed at. Don't say shit, just walk over here. I can feel the hunger from across the room, crystal clear. You grab my waist, pull me in rough. I've been waiting way too long for your touch. My back hits the wall before I can speak. Your mouth on my neck, hands sliding on my thighs real deep. I've been good, but tonight I don't wanna be. I just want you all over me. Take my clothes off, don't be sweet. I want it messy, I want it deep. Put your hands where you know I like. Make up for all the lonely nights. Fuck me like you miss me back. Like you meant we've been apart. Hold me down, make it last. Leave your mark on every part.
It's done now. I'm not going to dance anymore. I'm going to change. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to another live again later. Chin, I'm going to end. Are you still there? Are you sleeping? Are you Papa? It's okay now. Bye bye. I'll do live later. Wala, may pa. Lagging. Hello. President. Red ball. Against the God. Maybe it's too dark. Maybe. I'm going to end, Steve. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't camera. Thank you, Steve. Ano, best? Sili. Oh. Wala, naglalag na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Steve. Kakanta ang susunod. I will live again later. Later. Kuya, mag-end na ako magtutupi pa kasi ako. Ngayon ako magla-live mga gabi ulit. Yan yung kumagpang. Joke lang.